As a NASA scientist, I solve problems. It's quite neat to be able to work on things that will go in space or fly in the atmosphere. I was paid to destroy detectors. We were trying to find one of the best detectors to put in a camera that would fly on the James Webb Space Telescope. A decade ago, we didn't know what detectors we should put on it that would survive. I also built a payload that crashed into the moon, and we found water on the moon. In a nutshell, I do a lot of different things for NASA. Right now at NASA Ames, I'm the SOFIA project scientist. SOFIA stands for the Stratospheric Observatory for Infrared Astronomy. We have a 747 aircraft outfitted with a Hubble-sized telescope, 2.5 meters, and we fly above not only the clouds, but the water vapor, and allows us to study the infrared universe. Studying the universe in the infrared has three major advantages. One is it allows us to see into areas that we can't see because the light is stopped if it was too short of a wavelength. The infrared penetrates, allows us to see deeper. The second thing is it allows us to measure its temperature of what we're seeing. The light's coming back to us and it's telling us the temperature of that object. And the third is it can tell us what something is made out of. We can actually see the molecules themselves emitting or absorbing, depending upon the environment at these wavelengths. It is the only flying observatory. By being a flying observatory, we can actually position it to where the science wants us to go. We move the telescope from the northern hemisphere down to the southern hemisphere. When we go down to the southern hemisphere, we can see the galactic center, which is, you cannot see that in the visible. It's all obscured by dusk. We have to use infrared. In fact, a comprehensive study of the supermassive black hole that is the heart of our galaxy and the weird exotic environments around that is rich and worthy of further discovery because we don't understand how our own central engine of our galaxy works. Being a NASA scientist means I get to work on solving problems that aren't normally solved by any other entity.